Hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1291, that is sequential digits, and in this we'll be having an integer has sequential digits if and only if each digit in the number is one more than the previous digit. For example, let's say uh, the numbers like yeah, let me just comment, yeah, 1 2 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4, similarly 2 3 4 and like 3 4 5, but 3 5 is not will not be sequential digit. Okay, and we have to return a sorted list of all the integers in the range low and high inclusive that have the sequential digits. For example, we have to tell all the sequential digits between let's say 20 to 40. So in that case we'll be having 23 and then only 34. Okay, so these will be the two sequential digits that we'll be having. So let's do it by what we'll be doing. We know that we can have a maximum, at max the sequential digits can be of 1 2 3 sorry 4 5 yeah 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the maximum length of the sequential digit that we can achieve. Okay, and in our test case we also will be having that 10 to the power maximum, it's 10 to the power 9. So what we'll be doing, we'll be substringing all of these the possible subsequences that can be formed, and we'll be checking that if they lie in that range or not. Okay, so let's have a value that, let's say, string, let's call it nums, that will be equal to the string of 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9. Okay, so and now let's have answer list, that is list of integer answer, that is equal to new array list. Okay, so now let's start from the very first, that for, because we'll be substringing, we'll be using two for loops, that for int I equal to 1, I less than nums, or we can directly do I less than or equal to 9, because the length of the string is 9, 3 3 6 and 3 9. Okay, and then I plus plus, and then what we'll be doing, we'll be initializing a loop that for int j equal to 0, I plus j should be less than or equal to 9, and then j plus plus, and we'll be substring, do the substring, let's have a string num that is equal to nums dot substring from j comma j plus I or I plus j. Okay, so this is how we'll be finding the substring, and now let's convert it into integer. So for this we'll be using the parseInt method, integer dot parseInt, and this is, we'll be passing the num, and we'll be adding to the answer list if and only if the number is less than or equal to low, or is less than or equal to high and greater than or equal to low. Okay, so if val is greater than or equal to low and val is less than or equal to high, so in that case only we'll be adding this to the answer dot add, oh sorry, val, and in this the list will be sorted only, so we'll be returning answer at the end. Okay, so now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.